and today I'll be reading Blame It on the Rain. This is a Doc McStuffins book, Blame It on the Rain. It is a rainy day. Doc and Emily are playing. It looks like right here, Emily is Doc McStuffins' friend. They hear giggling. It's Elma. It is Elma. The girls look outside the window. The sun is out. They can play outside. Doc and her friends put on their rain boots. Mom, says Emily, we're going outside. Emily finds a puddle. Elma sees Moo Moo. She is all wet. Moo Moo. Moo Moo looks like it's her stuffy. Elma is crying. Doc can help. She will give Moo Moo a checkup. Doc will take Moo Moo home. Sorry, Moo Moo, says Elma. Says Elma. The doc is in, Doc says. There's her little sign, the doc is in. Doc's toys come to life. Hello, Moo Moo, they say. Moo Moo is wet. Shake, shake, shake. She tries to dry. Drip, drop, drip. Hallie grabs a bucket. I was left out in the rain, says Moo Moo. Chili hops up. If I was left in the rain, I would be a puddle. Doc tells Chili that he is stuffed. He cannot be a puddle. That's silly. If he was left in the rain, he would have been a puddle. Because Chili is a snowman. He thinks he's made of snow. But he's not. Lammy wants to cuddle Moo Moo. Cuddle. Lammy wants to cuddle, but Moo Moo is too wet. Stuffy brings towels. Stuffy slips. Stuffy slides. Doc grabs the towel. Doc grabs a towel. Moo Moo is sad. Elma left her out in the rain. She made a mistake, says Doc. Doc gets the big book of boo-boos. You have squishy-itis, she says. Doc needs to get Moo Moo dry. Doc and Stuffy gently twist Moo Moo. Gently twist Moo Moo. Water drops into the pan. That tickles, says Moo Moo. Doc rolls up Moo Moo. Lammy helps. He's getting twisted up. They're helping. Stuffy helps too. You are almost dry, says Doc. Doc takes Moo Moo outside. The sun will dry you out, says Doc. Moo Moo's new friends take care of her. Moo Moo is dry. All better, says Doc. You can go home. Moo Moo does not want to go, but Elmo would be sad, says Lammy. Doc tells Moo Moo about her mistakes. I put Lammy in the washing machine, she says. Squeak, squeak. I left squeakers out in the cold, says Doc. Sorry about that. There's squeakers in Lammy. Doc hears someone crying. It is Elma. Elma misses Moo Moo. Elma made a mistake, says Moo Moo, but she is a good friend. Moo Moo wants to go home. Doc takes Moo Moo home. Elma is happy to see her. You fixed Moo Moo, says Elma. What would I do, says Doc. That is what I do, says Doc. Doc sees rain clouds. Uh-oh, she says. Elma hugs Moo Moo. No more rain for you, says Elmo. Elma. I keep saying Elmo. Elmo. But it's Elma. Okay, so that was Doc McStuffins' book. Blame It on the Rain. We're going to get another book. Just one more. Okay, it's one of these. Okay, maybe. Okay, this is a book of opposites. It's this one. Okay, we're back in my spot. What's up, Duck? A book of opposites. Front, back, front, back, loud, quiet, quiet. Happy, sad, near, far, is all the way over there. Slow, fast. Clean, dirty. He's trying to give him a hug. It's just like, no thank you. Heavy, light. Kind of hard to open it. Up, down. One more page. Awake, asleep. Okay. So I'm glad I get to read to you a lot. Maybe I can read lots more books. Keep watching and keep reading. And I really hope you enjoyed today's book. Let's go see some more books I might be able to read. I could read Opposites soon. Ooh. Goosey and Gardy. Wait, Goosey and Gardy. Corduroy's Day. Things That Go. I Love My Family. And a lot more books. I hope you enjoyed today's book. I really hope I can read some more books. Still looking at books. Just Lost. Maybe I can read that one. I hope I can find a good book you would enjoy. Happy Easter, little critter. Or something. Yeah, just whatever I do, I hope I can enjoy some more books, and I hope you can read too. And I'm happy that I can read books to you. So, let me count the books I've read so far. This is a lot. I want to see. Look at all this. It's a mess. Okay, let's count them. 1, Peekaboo Sophie. 2, The Belly Button Book. 3, Tea Party in Wonderland. 4, I Am Helping. 5, we just read this one. You already know what it's called, don't you? What's Up, Duck? Wait, where were we? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6, Blame It on the Rain. 'The Foot Book. 5. Wait, what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. 8. 8. Dora's Halloween Adventure. 9. Color Fun. 10. Whose House Is This? 11. Doggies. 12. Green Eggs and Ham. 13. There's a Locket in My Pocket. 14. Great Day for Up. 15. There Was an Old Lady Who Swallowed Sly Guy. Wait, where was I? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Wait, what? Okay, 12. 1, 2, sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, 15. 16. 17, 18, whoa, we're getting high, 19, 20, 21 books I've read, so I hope I can read a lot more, and I don't know, what if I get to 30 books or something? Just what I want you to do is keep watching and keep reading. Now I'm going to get this big pile back onto the pile. Okay, so have a good day. hope I can read more books, and I even have some books in my room. Look, there's the books. Okay. Okay. Have a good day.